Hi there, this is part 2 of the I Am Clark Griswold Festive Light. Look at this, we've got a box full from festivelights.com. More of these beautiful, high quality ConnectPro lights. The first video I did, we did along the canopy on the front, 18 metres. So let's unpack it and get it on the front of the house and hang it off all the gutters and make the house look like it was Santa's Winter Wonderland. I've got this plug up here. Now, I wired this into my outside lights years ago. So this is just for Christmas. Good. Merry Christmas. The quality was so good, I've got some more. This time we've gone for these ones. These are, instead of having the black wires, I've gone for the white wires, but the quality is still exactly the same. Beautiful thick wires, all sealed, everything is all sealed up, there's no water getting in there. Lovely twinkly LEDs. So some of them, they've just got like a little beautiful little twinkle to them. They are gorgeous. These are going to go around the top of the house. I've also got here, I'm excited for these. These are the tree lights. So we've got the big palm tree on the front of the house, and going into that is going to be these gorgeous, beautiful tree lights. So it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be all the way up the trunk and a few in the top, and it's going to twinkle and look gorgeous. Let's get out there. Let's get putting some of these up. I've got the connectors and everything. These all interlock, so there's no wiring, plugs, extension leads or anything like that. This stuff is amazing. I'll pop links in the description for it if you want to have a look and see what if you need some yourself. But let's get on. The tree lights come the same as the other ones with these connectors on the end, completely watertight. Really good quality wires and plugs. All velcroed together. I mean, the packaging is amazing.
I think you might be overdoing it, Dad.
Russ, when was the last time I overdid anything?
So to connect to the end of this run that we've got along the front canopy, I've got a splitter. Got a nice little splitter there. So 1 in, 2 out. One will come down to go up the tree, and the other one will go up to the top to go along the guttering of the house and on the top there. To make that run up to the top guttering, I've also got here a plain extension. I mean, just look at the quality of the wires on this. So we've got an extension lead to get us up to the top of the house, so we've not got like a trail of lights going up, and it's not going to break it. It will look nice, it will look professional. You can get that up the guttering and then the lights going all the way across the top. So yeah, a splitter and an extension.
I hope he falls and breaks his neck.
I'm sure he'll fall, but I don't think we're lucky enough to have him break his neck.
And then we're away again on 2 more. Oh, they're going in nice. Just to give you some idea, that's 30 metres of lights have gone into that, and I've still got a bit to go to get to the top of there. I don't like poor Rusty in the video.
Come on, unravel these. You have to check every bulb. Got a little knot here. Work on that.
We haven't got to go through 10,000 lights checking all the bulbs to make sure they work, because these are super quality LED bulbs and they don't blow. So we can just put them straight up.
Good job they're fully waterproof. Great British weather.
Oh, look, it's so lovely.
If you like, say, enjoyed it, drop me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, see another video. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.